Welcome, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing well today.
And happy August, everybody. Happy August.
I am blessed. I am blessed. This is the first day of August. So I hope everybody's having a blessed day with the first of the day of month coming in. And I hope you all are not too hot and everything. So I'm going to read my scripture to you guys today. And let me get this out of the way, and let me pull the scripture so I can read it to you. Nacho, then shall thou walk in thy way safely. Proverbs 3:23. Call upon me in the day of trouble. I will deliver thee. Psalms 50:15. That is my scriptures for today. May everyone be blessed and have a blessed day today, the rest of the day. So I'm getting ready now to make black bean nachos, okay? So I have everything here already ready. I'm making it out of my turkey meat. So I have 1 pound of turkey, ground turkey rather. And I have it already stored to cooking a little bit. And I'm gonna drop my onions and bell peppers in. It's still kind of frozen, you guys, so I'm trying to get it where we're not there. Okay? I'm going to put this over here. Still pretty frozen there. Okay.
Okay, y'all, she's gonna start adding her seasoning in.
Okay. Start out with the black pepper. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Ooh, good. I didn't know the end came over. Oh. Incomplete. So that's this ground cumin. What? Chili powder? Okay. It's starting to cook good now, so.
Okay, so she just put chili powder and cumin in there.
And cumin.
And we're gonna let it cook down. As soon as it cook down, we'll be back.
Okay, I'm adding the black beans. We've already, I usually rinse them off anyway when I take them out of the can. And I'm adding a can of just a regular routine.
Rotel.
I mean, sorry. Oh, I'm looking at them to the team over there. Okay. Rotel, please. So now I'm going to stir the rotel in with the black beans. Okay, I'm putting the chicken broth in now. It's probably about 1/4 of a cup. Okay. I'm going to pour the flour in. This is about 2 tablespoons of flour. One tablespoon of flour, okay. This gives it a little bit of thickening, so. Yeah, I'm adding a little bit of cumin and chili powder in here. So it'll give it a chili flavor.
Oh, sorry, she cooked in the pot. The pot not getting hot like it should, so.
I'm using the wrong pot, so I'm gonna use the other one.
We'll be back.
Oh, well, you pour it and you tell me. You're gonna tell me.
But you put a little bit more in there, y'all. Okay.
That's all? Okay.
It's supposed to have a little juice in it for the chips. Hey, y'all. So this is how you make the black bean, how we make the black bean nachos we be eating. So she's getting ready to make her plate. So you can see how we plate it.
Taste and see how they taste. I'm pretty good. Got sea salt.
Okay, y'all. These are chips we're using. We're organic white stone tortilla chips. Okay. Miss Lena's finna go ahead and make her plate. Yeah, this is how we make ours. You can, if y'all want to melt the cheese or whatever, y'all can. But this is how we make ours. And the meat so hot it melts the cheese.
Should I get the mozzarella?
Hey, yeah, we have jalapenos, we have tomatoes, and she had lettuce.
Okay. All right, put just a little bit of lettuce on top of mine. Let's start with. And then I add the jalapenos and tomatoes. More? Okay. And this is the sour cream. Guacamole here, so just a tiny bit. Okay. All right.
So that's how it look, y'all.
Okay, this is my final presentation of the nacho, green, black bean nacho. So this is very good, you guys. So I hope you all try it. It's a very good for a day, anytime, day or night, for lunch, dinner, or whatever.
Y'all, it's so good. And if you don't want the meat, the turkey, we put ground turkey. If you don't want the turkey, you just add beans, because I eat it like that a lot too, with just the bean.
Anywhere.
do it the black beans.
You can do the ground beef or whatever kind
You
of
can
meat.
do ground beef, whatever meat you want.
Okay.
Chicken.
Okay. Okay, you guys. This is very good. So please try it. It's very good. And this is called the Nacho black bean nacho. And I thank you so much. And God bless you all. This is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Y'all have a blessed day and a blessed rest of the day. Blessed rest of the week.
And thank you
I'll be back to see you all in the next video.
Thank you to all the members, everyone who's members of her channel. We appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you, new subscribers, old faithful subscribers. We appreciate you. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.